Good afternoon. We are here at the house of Ms. Jie Lin to do an attempt to repair for Liberty Mutual. That's the damaged shingle we're going to be replacing. Now, in order to do so, we must remove the nails from the shingles above. All right, 2 layers up and take out those nails and take out the shingle, and then replace the shingle. Let's begin. So first, we're going to try to unseal these shingles. And as you can see, we're using and as you can see, these things are not unsealing, very difficult. And this is the shingle we must get out, so we gotta get 1 layer up. And as you can see, I mean, even with a scraper like this, it's just not unsealing. As you can see, just trying to unseal shingles are completely it cannot even unseal these shingles. They're so and you can see, as you can see, just by unsealing or attempting to unseal these shingles, you can see the shingle has broken there. So this roof is not repairable at all. We're going to put a tarp on this and we will send Liberty our estimate. Thank you.